Now, with the city of Milwaukee mask mandate now in full effect, you will see more people wearing masks everywhere you go.
But Mike Krychak with Mask Up MKE has been pushing this message since the start of the pandemic.
Thank you for being with us, Mike. We appreciate this. Tell us, what does this action by the city mean to you and your organization?
Well, I couldn't have been happier with the outcome. The fact that it was unanimous with all the aldermen and the mayor immediately signed it tells me that they were aware of the severity of the situation. They didn't delay anything based on some semantics. They got it through, and their actions, as you were just mentioning, right now we're seeing a precipitous increase in mortality, and this is a good way of reversing the trend.
Mike, I see so much conversation around masks if you look at anything on Twitter or in social media. But when you look at masks, why do you think they're so important?
Well, I think, for a long time there was some information out there that could have been construed as being a little confusing. Even the Surgeon General, last Saturday came out and kind of reversed his point on it and pretty much had said he was wrong, not mentioning the fact that people shouldn't be wearing masks. And he essentially said that it does stop the spread of COVID and that it's something that should be implemented as much as possible. So the more we get people masking up, the quicker we can get people masking up, the quicker we can start slowing the spread and reversing the trend that we're on right now.
Yeah, very important. We just saw a little bit of a video of the promotion that you have done at Mask Up Milwaukee, and it's very good and very intriguing. Can you tell me, there are a lot of people out there who might say, I don't know how to get a mask, I don't have the money to keep getting the disposable ones. Any help for people who don't have access as much as others, Mike?
Well, there's a few things. Long term, you can get our disposable masks at 6 locations in the city, both wing centers for testing. You just mentioned the one on Chase and how busy they are. There's another one on 5075 Sherman. The Zeidler Municipal Building has it. Northwest Health Center on 76th and Mill has masks. Keenan Health Center on 36th Street. And on the south side on 23rd Street, they all have masks available. The CDC and a number of other locations on the internet show people how they can make a face covering very easily with materials that they have around the house, like things like T-shirts. And the city has allocated funds to be giving people reusable face masks, and that's what we have to get to sooner than later. We have to get to reusable face masks.
Yeah, just a quick question, Mike. Are you in the Guinness Book of World Records? How many have you distributed so far?
Well, I was just down at Mexican Fiesta earlier today on 20th Street. They're our latest location that has been making masks. And just last week, they made 40,000 and distributed them to the south side in some of the highest percentage districts with COVID. They just picked up another 50,000. I would say we have about 3.1 million, something like that distributed. And we have a lot in the process of being made, but we're always looking for more volunteers to help us make those, because the demand right now for finished masks is about 15 times what it is for people willing to step up and make them.
Well, Mike Krychak, we appreciate your efforts in keeping us safe, being with us this afternoon, and millions of masks, 3.1 million. It's been impressive, and we just have to keep going. And remember, thank you very much for joining us on our show at 3:30.
Yeah, thanks.